So let's paint our jewels now. If you notice, there's different colors in here. You want your colors and you want to blend them. So if you're going to use watercolor, you want to make sure you take a little bit of water and put it on all the colors you think you're going to use. Now, the best way to start with this is always start with the lightest color and work to the darkest. More water is going to make it spread a little bit easier. So water paint paper, just like in the past. And I'm going to do this really quickly so you don't spend your whole class watching me paint. So I put the yellow down. Now I want to add some of the yellows to it. I mean the oranges to it. And you can just blend them in. The one way you can blend them in is by adding more water. So the longer the water sits on the paint, the darker it will get. So you're just going to kind of blend these all in. Then you could go to the red and you could add some red on the bottom. And you just want to blend everything in. So start light to dark, lots of water, and blend them in. Okay, now if you don't have watercolor and you have to use crayons or colored pencils, you want to get out the colors you think you might need, and you want to again start light and work dark. So let's see, if I was going to do this in crayons, fortunately I have a lot of colors of crayons. You may not have quite this many. It's a couple different kinds of packs. So if you were going to do this one, see how you've got light? All you have to do with your colored pencils is just go lighter. If you go light, and then you can go darker, and that gives you a darker color. And again, try to blend these in. I'm going quick because I don't want you to sit here and just watch this. Then you could even add like a purpley color or a darker blue, but you could go purple to get down to that darker color on the bottom. And again, start light and go dark, because you can always make something darker. You cannot always make something lighter. Colored pencils, you can erase a little bit and that'll help, but you want to make sure you have some different tones going in this, not just one. The same thing with your crayons. Make sure you start light and you can put a crayon color on top of a crayon color. And you want to blend things in. But see how you can get different colors from the same crayons just by going a little darker? Okay, so when you color, you want to make sure you have some different tones in it, light to dark. And that's it. I can't wait to see the jewels.